Welcome. bstreviews.com. Hey. We are sharing the affiliate marketing process and tools. Create a website. Create content in the form of tutorials, review posts or emails, and use your affiliate link. Make a funnel. A series of steps that a person takes before buying a product or service. Selling online is done by funnel, website, blogs. You have to build the audience and build trust. Test funnels with traffic. Tools you need are domain and hosting. A page builder. Email marketing system. The best way to communicate with affiliates. With email marketing, you can get back to these visitors and remind them of your website by sending basic emails like the welcome email. Introducing promotions, coupons, sending links and banner ads. And answering FAQ, and then invite them to return to your site. Tools which is best for email marketing. Use getresponse or aweber as email marketing tools, a tracking system for affiliates. It's crucial for you to generate traffic for your website if you're going to sell products and earn commissions. And to make this happen, you need to advertise your site frequently with a variety of ad campaigns. Use tools for tracking the visitors. Affiliate marketing certainly can be an excellent way to make money online. But it is not as easy to earn money as you think. You will have to work on finding products to promote, research, make unique review pages, landing pages, and use a variety of techniques to drive traffic on your landing pages. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and do comment.